Hi, welcome to Nickwell Motorhomes. So today I've got something I've not seen before, and it's this. It's the Xplore CV X8. And what a chunky, robust looking motorhome it is. For a van conversion, it looks completely different. Look at the wheels, for example. I've never seen these before. I love them. I think they're brilliant. A lot of vans can't get away with black, but the graphics, and it just looks so robust. It works really well. And it's very well spec'd. Obviously, you've got your drains for your fresh and your waste water there. You've got your underslung gas tank. Water filler just there. Cassette toilet. Just there, you've got your external 230 volt. And there's your electric hookup. Again, I love these wheels. They look fantastic. On the back, we've got a bike rack. You've got your box. You can see up there, you've got your TV area. We've also got a solar panel up there and Wi-Fi. Again, it's all been colour coded, so it looks the part. Now, when we open up, you can see, obviously, you've got this rear lounge. Now, this is the beauty with this van. Because it's got a pop-top roof, it's a genuine 4-berth, 4-travel. Now, like I say, it's a 2025 registered vehicle, and it's done about 4,000 miles. It's practically brand new. But you've got 3 habitation areas, in essence, because you've got this rear lounge that, if you wanted to, you could leave made up as a fixed bed. You've got a front dinette area, and you've got the bed in the roof. There aren't many 8-metre coach builds that give you 3 habitation areas, but this one at 5.99, it does, and it does it wow. So like I say, we'll make the bed up in a moment, but that can be made up into a fixed bed if you wish to, or again, you've got the rear lounge. As we say, you've got the bike rack, you've got the back box, you've got the reversing camera. As we come round, of course, you've got your awning. So let's take a look inside. Now, in the cab, it's got all the equipment you'd expect. You've got your media centre, it's the 9-speed auto, you've got your MS cab lines, you've got your cruise control, you've got, again, your media centre controls just there. It's what you'd expect. You've also got this half dinette area here. Both the seats just there have got Isofix for the kids, which is good because a lot of them don't. What is very impressive is the roof. Now, there are pop-tops on the market now, but not many of them have a skylight. And if you do have a Hecky up there, they tend to be fixed. This one actually opens. Now, the great thing with it as well is there's a lock. So you've got your general locks just here, which you'll lock in to keep in play. But just here you have an electric lock. Now, once you've pressed that, that will release it, so you've got a secondary. And I'll let Dan step back and I shall pop her up. Now, being short, this isn't easy for me, so bear with me because I'm going to have to get the ladder down. So the ladder lives just here. Just locks into place. Spin around. There we go. Right. So, just over on this side, you'll see we've got the pegs there to lock your ladder into place. So that will clip in just here. Now, what you will need to do is just move your table out of the way when you do that. So we'll move this over here for a second because your table will just pop off. And again, that's great because what it will do is it will open up your lounge area. So we can just unclip that. What I'm going to do then is I'm just going to pop this out the way over here for a moment and pop it down there. So again, this opens up your lounge. If you don't need the table, you don't have to have it in. And there is a secondary table in the back, so you've got a table you can use outside. So this just clips into here. Then you have these little locks that will come up to stop it from slipping. Just there. There we go. Now you can see the legs have actually one's longer, so it does fit onto the floor perfectly. And then we can go up and we can pop the roof up. Now, come on in, Dan, have a look up there because it's very roomy. And like I say, the beauty is you've got 3 habitation areas. You've got a bedroom in the roof, you've got a lounge stroke bedroom in the back, you've got your dinette in the front. Now your kitchen is very well spec'd. Obviously you've got your sink here, your mixer tap, an extender just there, 230 volt, and then of course you've got all these drawers going down. More storage just in here with your gas isolator switches just at the bottom. Microwave, don't get many of those in a 6-metre van. 3 gas hobs, and then you've got your oven grill just here. Just remember when you are using the grill to pull the heat shield out, it stops the knobs from melting, but do push it in when you're done, otherwise you can catch trousers on it. More storage underneath, and just there as well you've got your drain for your boiler. So your heating is gas and electric, and that works on the Wales system. Compressor fridge just here. More storage underneath. So if we come through that, I'm going to open up the bathroom so everybody can have a look in there. Again, it's what you would expect. You've got some storage, you've got your shower, you've got your wash basin, you've got your cassette toilet. Not massive, but they're not massive in van conversions, but it's a usable space. So as we come round in the rear, again, good storage up above, and just here you have your TV aerial booster. Over on these sides, we've got your Wi-Fi aerial just there and your solar controller just here. Now you've also got reading lights in the back on both sides, your TV aerial point just there, and you've got a bracket for the TV. And as I promised you, we do have an outdoor table there as well. So the bed's very easy to make up in the rear. So what I should do is I shall open these doors up so Dan can get a good view of it as I'm doing it. So what you've got is you've got sliders underneath. So that literally slides out to there. This one slides out to there. This comes into the centre because you've got the angle just there, so it makes it easier to put these in the middle. How quick is that? I mean, it's literally seconds to make up your bed. What can I say about it? I mean, it looks the part. It's practically brand new. And there's a lot of van conversions out on the market. But for me at the moment, I think this is the funkiest thing I've seen in a long time. And there we have it, the Xplore. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're interested in it, I'd move quick because I don't think this thing's going to be here for very long. Thank you for watching.